Empty vessels make the most noise. Similar is the condition of Tripura Pradesh Congress under acting President Piyush Kanti Biswas. Much prior to the ADC election in Tripura, Hallabol predicted that Pradesh Congress won't gain even a single seat in the ADC under the leadership of Piyush Kanti Biswas. And the prediction of Hallabol came out to be 100% true. Saturday, as the vote counting were under process, the Pradesh Congress could not bag even a single seat in the ADC. The only reason behind this is emptiness of spirit in the leadership of acting President Piyush Biswas, who did nothing at all except creating a fuss. Centering the ADC election in Tripura, Pradesh Congress acting President Piyush Biswas bragged a lot. Several committees were formed by him where many such leaders were given responsibilities who are not even known to the common people at all. But the enthusiastic senior leaders of Congress, much popular to the people of the state, were left behind from any involvement. Moreover, control room was opened centering the ADC election. But all this were just to impress the Congress high commands and collect huge funds from the center. According to information from sources, the huge amount of funds that came from the center for the ADC election was distributed among the few so-called leaders of the Congress familiar to the acting president. Not a little amount of it was used for the ADC election. Apart from this, about 1 crore rupees came from Chhattisgarh. All these were distributed among the so-called leaders, but the poor people did not get even a single penny. Not even the grassroots level workers who tirelessly worked for the election were given any money by Piyush Kanti Biswas. According to the frustrated Congress workers and supporters, this plundering under acting President Piyush Biswas is going on since many days. They complain that the acting president doesn't has anything to do with the votes, but has the only intention to fill his own coffer. The dedicated Congress workers questioned why not a single penny was distributed among the grassroots level workers and the poor people. Did the fund come only for the leaders and not for gaining votes? All these factors have contributed to the ADC result on Saturday, where Congress could not gain even a single seat in the hills. Not only gaining seats, but vote percentage of Congress also came down. Where in the year 2019 Lok Sabha election, the Congress had a vote percentage of 26% and was leading in 9 assembly constituency. Now, in the 2021 ADC election, the percentage of vote came down below 2% after Piyush Kanti Biswas has been appointed as the Pradesh Congress acting president. The Congress workers and supporters, the common people of the state as well as the political analysts combinedly have a view that only because of poor leadership of Pradesh Congress and growing infights and discriminations inside the Congress party under Piyush Kanti Biswas, Pradesh Congress is totally under the verge of destruction. The day is not far when the Congress will remain confined to its signboard in Tripura. Bureau Report, Hallabol.